Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Chefing with Chefry. I know it's been a while since I made a video. Today is New Year's Day. I'm going to try and make a really good breakfast, and it's going to be breakfast pull-aparts. With country ham, you can literally use any other kind of meat you would like. Like you could do sausage or bacon, but just make sure it's cooked and cooled down slightly before you add it into the mix. Today I'm also trying something a little different, and I'm recording it on my cell phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20, so we'll see how this goes. It's supposed to record in 4K or 5K or something like that, so it should be nice and crisp for you. Hopefully it is. So the main ingredients you're going to need are Grand's flaky biscuits. They ran out of original, so I just grabbed one buttermilk and one buttermilk. Hopefully that tastes good. 2 eggs. Today I've got country ham. Like I said, you could use bacon or sausage. I got triple cheese blend. Need a little splash of whole milk. And then I got some seasonings as well. A little vacuum, a little Texas Pete dust, some minced onion powder, salt and pepper. Just realized I put on my Tabasco pajama pants, but I'm using Texas Pete dust. So this is the rig for the camera today. You see the little ropes there? They're gonna hold the phone, and it's gonna be aimed down, kind of like that. So hopefully that works. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, as it says on the biscuits. So now I'm just going to start out by getting the biscuits out. Separate them out. Like I said before, you can literally take any meat you want. Today I'm doing country ham. You could do breakfast sausage, but just make sure it's cooked. Same with bacon. You can also do veggie sausage, which is really good. I've done that before. Or you could just have it with the biscuits, the eggs, and the cheese, and it's delicious too. But vegetarian sausage, if you're gonna get that, get the Morning Star spicy. Delicious. Just gonna cut this up. I didn't add too much salt to the mix because I know this country ham is super salty. Probably did about a 1/4 pound of country ham. And thoroughly mix it. Make sure everything's combined. Make sure eggs all over everything. Separate the biscuits out some. See how everything's evenly distributed there? That's what you want. Looks yummy. Now you're gonna take it, put it in your oven, let it go for probably about, let's do 25. There we go. Gonna get into those bottles later on New Year's. We're about halfway through the cooking process. I'm gonna take it out. You can already see it starting to brown there. I'm gonna take the rest of this cheese, sprinkle it all over the top. This way it doesn't burn and get too crispy, but if you want crispy cheese on top, totally put it on right when you're putting it into the oven. Because burnt cheese is yummy. Don't care what anybody says. See how that's looking? You can see the biscuits starting to separate. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. I want to see a little bit more doneness on this. Nobody likes gooey biscuit dough. Now I did end up adding a couple more minutes to the cook time on that breakfast bake, and I think I added 2 more minutes. So that would put it up to 27, and then I'm gonna let it go 2 or 3 more minutes. So that's gonna put it up right around 30, 29, 30 minutes. But it all depends on the pan you use, because if you use an aluminum pan, they don't conduct heat as well. And if you use a dark pan, it's gonna be shorter, and you might wanna do 325 on your oven instead, because darker pans absorb heat better. So yeah, just remember all that stuff when you're doing it. But you won't be disappointed, I promise. Would you just look at that? Just look at it. It's a little doughy, but that's okay. A little bit of doughiness doesn't hurt anybody. Now it is trying time. Usually I would smother this in ketchup or gravy if you made sausage gravy, but that's a different video. That's coming. But I smother it in ketchup because ketchup and eggs and bread is delicious. Why does country ham have to be so good? Not too salty, but you do get the ham, and it is pretty damn salty, but that's a good thing, right? That's what you get country ham. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video, but thank you for watching Chefin' with Chefry once again. I know it's been a while, but I'm glad you're back, and I hope you're glad I'm back. Find me on Instagram, chefin_with_Chefry. Also find me on Facebook, Chefin' with Chefry, and of course like and subscribe to my channel, Chefin' with Chefry. Crazy, right? Get a picture with Bay on New Year's. But yeah, smother it in ketchup, smother it in hot sauce, smother in whatever you want. It's delicious. You won't regret it. And hopefully I'll have a few more short videos to upload soon, because short ones are good. The long ones are good too, but yeah, that's what she said. Alright, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. Ketchup. Ketchup. Salt and pepper.